In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cell editor in Zotero. If you've ever wished your citations matched a publisher's quirky punctuation rules or your department's exact formatting, the CSL editor is where that magic happens. CSL stands for Citation Style Language, and Zotero includes a built-in editor so you can view, tweak, and create styles without leaving the app. Start by opening Zotero on your computer. Make sure your library is visible and the application is active so you can access its menus. Next, look to the top menu and click Tools. This is where Zotero groups advanced utilities and customization options you won't find in the main toolbar. From there, hover over Developer. Don't let the name intimidate you. This area simply houses tools for editing translators and styles. You won't need any special setup to proceed. Now, click Style Editor. A new window opens with a split view, code on the left and a live preview on the right. The preview shows how your in-text citations and bibliography will look with the current style, using sample items from your library. If the preview looks outdated after a change, don't worry, you'll refresh it in a moment. With the editor open, start typing your code. CSL is an XML-based format, so you'll see tags that define how authors, titles, dates, and punctuation are arranged. Common sections include citation for in-text formatting and bibliography for the reference list. Small edits can make a big difference. Adjust a delimiter to change commas to semicolons, switch name formatting from full names to initials, or modify whether titles appear in italics. As you work, keep your changes clear and incremental. It's also a good idea to give your style a distinct title inside the code so you can recognize it later. Use the toolbar to speed your workflow. The refresh button re-renders the preview on the right so you can immediately verify the effect of your latest edit. Save As creates a new installable style based on your current code, leaving the original untouched. Perfect for experimentation while keeping a safe fallback. And the Choose Style menu lets you load a different installed style into the editor, so you can start from a close match and only fine-tune what's necessary. That's the full loop. Open Zotero, go to Tools, hover over Developer, launch Style Editor, make your code changes, and use Refresh, Save As, and choose Style to test, preserve, and switch your work. With a few thoughtful edits, your citations will match your exact requirements.